Hello book friends, I am Sarah and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to it. Today I am doing something really fun. It's kind of random, but I am taking all of my books and reordering my bookshelf and going to make a rainbow bookshelf. So I've started emptying out my bookshelf that we have at home in our living room, and I just kind of felt like it was all over the place. It kind of looked crazy, like there was no order to it, and I was having trouble finding a lot of books, and it just kind of looked like fun. So I'm gonna make a rainbow bookshelf today, and I'm gonna be redoing a lot of the shelves, reassembling them into a beautifully aesthetic rainbow bookshelf. So I have a lot of the books down already. I just kind of set them down on our coffee table, and I kind of started sorting them by color. So I have like pinks and stuff here. I have some blues over there, but I will show you the process. And then over here, I did kind of put some of them in colors, but I don't really like the way it is. And we have all these random books at the bottom, and they didn't fit in the shelves. So I need to reorder the shelves, like change the sizing of them, so that they can all kind of fit by color. And let's get to it.
All alone again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, the northern lights, yeah, we're all affected. I'm watching, pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. So here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out. We're breathing in. We're breathing out.
So I just completely emptied out my bookshelf, rearranged the shelves so that I can fit different size books a little bit easier. So now I'm going to sort through all of the books I have and kind of divide them up by color a little bit better, because I had some of them done before, but I added some new books. So I'm gonna add those, and kind of, when I took them off the shelves, I kind of like made a mess. And they're a little out of order now. So I'm gonna kind of make some different piles and put them in color order. days later, I don't know, a lot of time has passed since I last filmed about my rainbow bookshelf. And technically I finished this project, but I've gotten a lot more books since then. And also it really bugged my husband that I didn't do it in like the rainbow order when I finished it. I didn't do the like Roy B. Jiv way. So I'm here to finish this project, and I'm going to do it the correct way and have the colors correctly, the way that will make him very happy. Also, I kept taking the books out and they kind of got crazy. They weren't fitting in there very well. So it's kind of a mess. So I left some up. I have a couple still, like my yellows are here, but I wasn't even a huge fan of the way I did this. The whites are on the bottom, and then I have like yellow to gray. Didn't like that. Yellow to gray isn't a good combo. So I have all the books here again. I did keep them in the color this time, so it's not gonna be as crazy. Basically, I'm just going to put them in the shelves and show you, and then show you the final product of our beautiful little rainbow bookshelf. I do like it. I like the rainbow because we've lived with it for a little while. And I like the rainbow. I think it's cute, and it just looked a little chaotic, and I was mixing the wrong kind of colors. So we're gonna do it right, and hopefully we like it better. I only have a couple minutes to do this project, so we're gonna try to do it real quick. All right, bye. So I'm gonna start with red. Here's all my red ones, and I'm going to put them on the top left corner. So let's see. Lots of greens, and let's do it.
There's nothing more ahead. The hills they seem all green, but they hide all the monsters. And you kept holding my hand as you reached for water. From the hills by the lake you were chasing your dream, and I gave you a rose that you kept on seeing, kept on seeing. For so long, I kept going on, and for every tear you shed, for everyone you love. Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong.
I think it's coming along. I think this looks way better than what I had before. If I have a picture, I'll show it to you, but I think this looks so much better. I didn't realize it would look that much better if you did it the actual like rainbow way. Now, technically I've done all the colors, but I have a ton of black books, white books, gray books. So I think I'm gonna do that on the next shelf. And I kind of just left the white at the bottom because I don't really know what else to do with that. But I'm gonna try to mix this in. I don't know, a lot of these dark books are some of my favorites, so it's like almost insulting, I feel like, throwing them at the end, but I'm gonna try and see if I like it. I think it's completely rainbow now, which is really nice. It was like weirdly rainbow before. I did like red and black together. They don't roll together very well, but lots of my books were red and black. You know, like this whole row. Look how many of them are like red and black, dark and black. Apparently it's a color that they put together a lot. And like up here, Water for Elephants, red and black. But this looks much better. We've got red, a tiny bit of orange, yellow, golden browny yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, pink, very small amount of pink. Then I have black, to gray, and then I have white. And then down there is like chaos. I don't really know what's over there. Maybe one day I'll look at that. But for now, this works really well. And I'm really happy with this. So here is my rainbow shelf. I really like it. This was fun to do a little project and show you guys. So thanks so much for watching this video. I know it was kind of chaotic over the space of multiple weeks, but I've just kind of come to the conclusion that all of my videos are chaotic. So I should just kind of stop saying it. Embrace it and it'll be fine. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching this video. I hope to see you again soon in one of my next videos. I post every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. It's a lot of days. So I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.